Hey y'all, this is a quick video showing you how to make super easy bows using my little bow making doohickey here. I have spent all day long making these and I hope that you find them useful. Check the links below on where to get them. Hey y'all, what is all of this stuff here? Well, I'm going to tell you what it is. It's bow makers. Now, I have a semi-popular video out there that a lot of y'all have seen where I show you how to make a super easy little bow just using 2 fingers. Well, a lot of people have signaled that they have arthritis or it's just hard for them to get the ribbon off of their hands once they're done making that bow. And you know what? By using one of these, you don't have to worry about that. And I have them in 3 different sizes. So when it comes to tiny little bows, I've been researching, and some of like the most popular sizes I've seen is like a 2-inch bow, a 3-inch bow, and a 4-inch bow, which is why I have 3 different sizes of these. You can get these on my website, this Southern Girl Cans General Store, and also on my Southern Sign Designs website where I sell wreath signs. I'm going to have a link for you in the description box and also pinned in the comments where you can get these and also where you can watch the other video where I show you how to make a bow with your hands. But anyway, like I said, 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch bows. Now, for your ribbon, you can use whatever width of ribbon you can get to work with these. The length is what is important. If you cut your ribbon too short, you're not going to have enough to make the bow. There is sort of like a minimum length of ribbon that I have found to work best when making finger bows or if using something like this. And just so that you won't forget the lengths for each size, I have it put right here on the back. Yes, this is engraved. It's not going to come off or anything. So these are all engraved and laser cut by me. Like I said, I spent all day long making them. Check out the links where you can get them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3-inch one. And you use them all the same, but we're just going to use the 3-inch one with this ribbon, So like it says on the back, ribbon length, cut this to 14 inches, okay? So let's see here, and then over here, I have measured, aha! They said you can cut it longer if you want to, just so that you won't waste ribbon, don't cut it shorter. And of course, when I'm trying to do something, the dog tries to come in. But we're going to take our maker here, and we're going to take our ribbon and just lay it down on top. Make sure that you have space underneath, okay? Go, Gadget Nails. So take the rest of the ribbon, bring it around, and make sure you have your tail here. Bring it around the back like that. I'm going to hold it in place with my finger and take it, go over, and we're going to take the end and go through that hole. Okay, then just pull it straight up the back. Okay, now you see where I'm pointing under this loop here? This is where you're going to go with the tail end of this over here. Go over and under that. Okay, so over, and then just tuck it under like that. You see how the end pops out? Just grab the end and pull it up and down, snug it down. Just use your fingers and hold that knot in the middle and pull it. And there's your bow. We're just going to flip it over. And then you can take your fingers and work out your loops here. Just get everything in place, and there's your bow. Pretty easy, huh? Pretty easy. I've got paint and stuff all over my hands. I've got a lot of stuff going on over here. But there is your easy little bow. And like I said, if you want some of these, and the process, of course, is the same for all the sizes, but if you want some of these, check that link down below. I hope you like them. I hope you find them useful, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.